test drive here. 82,969 miles on the odometer. Now if you see any flickering here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. This car is incredibly clean inside and out. You would think this car had 8,000 miles on it, not 82,000. It is insane nice. Steering wheel is absolutely perfect. Everything has that matte finish to it. We're gonna go on a quick drive here. Alignment perfectly straight, hands off the wheel. I got it in Sport Plus. You can hear those little crackles. Beautiful, beautiful car. I'm gonna kind of shift here and hold the camera. Sounds so good. Alignment feels good, like I said. Steering's nice and straight. Suspension's good. You never want to let off the gas when you hear the noises it makes like that. We're in fourth gear. It has the rev matching, so I'm going to go to third, second, and it does all that for you. The red matching, which I like. Welcome to Exotic Motorsports in Oklahoma, and today we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So the only PPF on this car is that lower quarter panel, that's OEM, but you have no PPF paint protection film here anywhere on the front end or rockers or anything like that. This is a non-smoker, an incredibly clean car for the miles. Looking at that wheel, besides a couple light markings there, it is incredibly clean. Beautiful finish on it. Bright red calipers. Even looking in the barrel, it's a really clean barrel. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Looking at that fender, looks good. Got one rock chip here, a couple little impacts. The rest of that looks good. Nice and clean. You do have some scratches there. They did go through the paint. Right there. Edge of that door feels really nice. So you have film right here protecting this section, and it has yellowed, but it is there to protect the paint, and it does have impacts and little scuffs and scratches, and you can see the difference in color there, but it covers that whole section here. Looking at that quarter, looks good. Overall, that wheel's in great condition. Middle looks nice. These are Michelin's 305/30/20 Pilot Sport 4S's. Date code 2022. Let's try to get under here and look at the tread. There you go. And I know I skipped this one, so let's check it out. Pilot Sport 4S. Date code 2019. Looking at that tread. There we go. So really beautiful, beautiful side here. Very minimal wear. Looking at the headlights, those look incredible. Typical rock impacts. You're gonna have some little markings. Clarity though, looks good. A few small impacts, typical stuff. There's a chip. You're gonna have some chips, little rock impacts, but it hides it really well with this bright white paint. And honestly, it's pretty minimal. You got one right there. Typical stuff here on the front. Clarity of that lens looks good. Get up close, I do see some yellowing, some little spots. I'm not sure what that is on the paint. It's mainly on that lower side, probably just bug splatter that kind of etched into it. Of course, you get close, you're gonna have touch-up spots. You're gonna have stuff like this. Get at that right angle. Try to get down low. You're gonna have some rash there. It's typical stuff, but I'm really impressed with the overall cleanliness of the car and condition. Here on that wheel, do see some little markings there, but no rash. Overall in great condition. Pilot Sport 4S's, date code 2019. The A-pillar looks good. Side mirror nice and clean. That door looks good. PPF, like I said, in that area, it has yellowed pretty heavy for over the years, but it is there protecting it. Quarter looks good. That wheel looks nice. Date code, where are we at, buddy? 2022, right there. Now these marker lights, they completely painted them white. So those, to be legal, I imagine need to be reflective red. So if you need to be in some sort of spec, that I would get those replaced, but they do look good, kind of whited out. And so those are fully painted over white. They do not shine through at all. Matte black lettering. All of that looks good. I mean, this is a clean example here for the miles. You would never know it had the kind of miles it does just by walking around this car looking at the overall condition. All right, checking out the interior. Got the dark gray, and this is just classic Porsche owner, just almost like you would never know they put miles on this car whatsoever based on the condition type thing. Everything is just minty fresh for 82,000 miles. This is insane. This looks like it has 5,000 miles. The look and feel, the smell, I mean, just absolutely gorgeous car. And I love when people take care of their cars like this but put miles on it. So upper section looks good. Memory seating. And at these buttons, you do have a little crack on that one right there. Leather looks good, upper and lower. Here on this trim, plastics are nice and clean. Got the all-weather mats. Looking at that bolster, it looks like it's never been touched, even though it has 82,000 miles. And then same here. I don't see any wrinkles. Upper section looks good. I mean, even in here, I don't see wrinkles. That is really, really nice. Even looking at the steering wheel, it's like they wore gloves or something because it still has that matte finish to it. I don't see any scuffs or scratches. Incredibly clean. Upper section looks good. That screen looks nice. Heated cool seats. Even the shifter has that matte finish to it, which makes me feel like they actually wore gloves probably driving this. It is just that clean. And looking at this door panel, upper side, beautiful. Buttons are nice and clean. I'm not seeing any scuffs or scratches that stand out. That looks pretty much brand new. So does this trim. That is really, really clean. Floor mats look good. Now with these perforated holes, it looks like something kind of spilled there, so you're gonna see that spot. That is in the holes itself though, if you can see that. That looks good. Edge is nice and clean. Even the plastics all here, they're not beat up. And that seat looks really, really good. Looks like no one really ever sat on this side just based on the condition. Upper side looks perfect. Getting back here on these back seats, they look really good as well. A slight mark here. When you see the back of the seat, there's a couple markings. I see a little spot in the carpet. otherwise it looks good. Here in the trunk. All right, looking at the front, you do have a little tub liner in there, which is really nice. Plastics look amazing. Now, I am having to hold up the hood. It's staying open right now, but it's slowly closing. And just a little bit of pressure, and it wants to fall. So you get all the way up, really get it perfect, and it will. But that slight amount of wind or movement, and it's gone. So those need to be changed out if you want that to stay open. Other than that, looks clean in here. Okay, all of this is included. You got your owner's manual, certificate of authenticity, the trickle charger, the window sticker, car cover, and this insane thick booklet full of service records. And from my understanding, basically everything ever done to the car, she's here. And it is a lot of it. Tons of documentation on this car, almost impossible to go through it all. We'll try to put what we can on the website, but basically if it needed to be done, it looks like it was done. Absolutely gorgeous, and tons of goodies that come with this car. Okay, going through the top. Beautiful black finish to it. Got the tempered glass. Besides just a few little markings on it here and there just from when it folds up, it looks really, really nice. That is incredibly clean.